Alright, first you need to have a picture. Just go to the Google image and search a picture of the durian. And this is a JPG, this is a PNG image. And the background is transparent. This is the best way. Next, you can just go to my video description and then go to the picture to 3D generator, go into the ai.meta.com sam3d. Then go to the internet browser. If you click into the link, it will automatically open just by using the second link. It will automatically open with a new tab. Just click try the background. So remember, it's the second link, ai.meta.com sam3d. So from here, just click try it and accept. Then click create 3D scene. From here, it is really fast. Just need to click upload. The picture is on my desktop. Click upload. From my desktop, just double click it. It is going to upload the durian picture into here. You can see actually durian, there are so many thorns here, but it is automatically generate. So I just need to click the durian one part, then click next, and next, click. So now you can see it highlighted and selected. Just click this one again. Make sure everything gets selected. Click. Alright, next just click generate 3D. It is going to just generate the whole 3D model in just a few seconds. Just wait for a while. Now you can see it generated a small durian, although it is not exactly same as the original, but it is still quite cool. Right, wait, again. Just now, if I accidentally click here, it will disappear. So I click generate again. It won't burn your resources. It is just going to generate again. Then click download. From here, just choose the GLB. Download. Alright, now you can see it will automatically pop out this to save as. And as demo, I'm going to just save it on my desktop, and it is a GLB file. I'm going to just name this as durian. Right, next I click save. It will save it in on my desktop here, durian.glb. If I double click, it is going to just open by using the 3D viewer. So now, of course, you cannot drag it into the iClone, but we need the Blender to convert the format to just make sure it exists as the FBX. So now I open the Blender. Blender is a free software. You can just download it from the official site of the Blender. And for today, the Blender's versions is 5.01. Alright, now I click the empty area and just press A to select all, and just press delete to clear everything. Next, from here, I just drag in the Durian GLB, then click import. It will import into the Blender first, and just need to wait for a while. Now, then click here to turn on the material texture. Everything look well, good. Next, click File, Export, FBX, and then the path mode, choose Copy, highlight this, then click the desktop. I'm going to export it on my desktop. Then from here, I will just name this as durian. I click export as the FBX file. So from here, we are going to test it in iClone, and also we are going to make sure all the materials texture will go into the iClone. So this is the iClone 8. I drag in the FBX durian, click convert all, and have a look. Now you can see it is without the texture, without the material texture. Next, you have to back to the Blender. Just click UV editing. Then from here, just turn it on, and from here, just choose the material. Now, exactly this one. Click the image, and save as on the desktop. The image here, just name this as Durian. Save as image. Then next, back to the iClone. This is the iClone 8. We are going to import the image. Just drag the texture into the Durian. Drag and drop. Now you can see it will appear inside the iClone 8. So now just save the prop. Go to the custom. Go to the prop. Go into the prop here. Just need to click save. And the file name, just name this as Durian. Then save as the prop, click OK. Now the Durian is already on the desktop. Sorry, it is already in the prop. You just need to right click and find the file. It is an iProp. You can just view with the large icon. This is the iProp. You can use it anytime, whenever you want. Just drag it into your CC4 or the iClone 8. Then you can just put a lot here, the Durian. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a 3D Durian just by using a piece of the picture, just by using the AI. And finally, you will just make it as a prop, make it into the iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.